making it worse. I'm just spreading it out. It's not paint, McGann. Calm down. Hey guys, you have McGann, and I'm here with the March 2019 Lip Monthly. Without a whole bunch of spiel, let's just get right into it. Oh, we got a little bag. I wasn't sure what to expect, but it is a little bag with purple, black, and white stripes printed on both sides. And we have, woo, gold mine, new adventures. I guess that is this month's theme. Okay, it does not seem like we have a packing list, so let's just check out what we have. Everything in Lip Monthly is supposed to be lip-oriented, duh, but it's comparable in price to Ipsy, and I do have a link in my description if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link. Here is a Peel holographic lip gloss. I can just Hercules that open. I did, ha ha ha. All right, I'll just do a little... Oh, that is actually a nice little shimmer to it. I like that. So if you don't really want a lot of color, but you want some sparkle on your lips, this is perfect for that. Then we have Purse or Per Se Professional Smear Proof Lip Liner. And that should be our color here at the end. Sort of a neutral rose type color. Trying to draw on my hand, but it almost matches my hand. And there we go right there. I've got some green and yellow on me from the kid play group. Now a Bang Beauty. It says Lip Crown real tiny down here. I have no idea what color it is or anything though. Let's see. Ooh, that is super cute. Let's put that under the gloss. Oh, it's a nice little pink too. I love that. And we have a Dirty Little Secret something. I assume a lipstick? Yep, there it is. Cream lipstick in really tiny print. So, oh, I love the little polka dots. I'll give this one a test. Ooh, I really put too much. I'm making it worse. I'm just spreading it out. It's not paint, McGann. Calm down. So how cool was that? We got a lipstick, a cream lipstick, a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a lip crown. And I think the bag is like $12 a month. So it's a pretty good deal. And again, there should be a coupon for you in my affiliate link in the description below. Please use that if you're interested in Lip Monthly. And otherwise, I guess I'll see you next time, guys.